Hello again and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In the last video we saw how we can download and install CentOS on our computers. I hope you all have installed CentOS without any issue, and if you faced any issue you can always reach out to me by dropping a comment or a direct message into my mailbox. In this video we'll see how we can download, update or delete a package in CentOS. As you may already know that in Linux we download and install packages as we need them based on the requirements. So installing, removing and updating packages is a necessary part of Linux. No matter what task or activity you are performing, installing, removing and updating packages is always going to be the prereq of that activity. So let's get started. Open your terminal, go to activities in terminal. Now I am using the GNOME version of the GUI. If you are on the classic GUI, go to applications here and then choose system tools, and in system tools open the terminal. Now first of all, let's see how we can install a package. To install a package in CentOS we use the yum utility. You can also use rpm, but rpm does not resolve dependencies, whereas yum automatically resolves all the dependencies that are associated with the package that is to be installed. So the command to install a package is yum space install, and then you'll write the name of the package that you want to be installed. Let's say we're installing the package called TCP. TCP is a package of Linux. Now make sure that before executing this command you are connected to the internet, and to check whether you are connected to the internet or not, click in the top right corner of your VM, and here as you can see that my wired connection is off. I'll click it and click connect, and when you see this symbol in your taskbar, your internet has been connected. Here now as you can see that the wired is connected. So make sure that the internet is connected before installing or updating a package. Now if you're having trouble connecting to the internet, you must not have configured the LAN card correct. In the previous video I explained how you can configure LAN card if you are in office or work internet, or if you're on the home internet. Go to your VirtualBox and open the settings of your virtual machine. Now go to the networks tab, and here if you are unable to connect the internet on the bridge adapter, select NAT from here. And if NAT doesn't work, go to NAT network. After you've updated this setting, click OK and then reboot your VM. I'll go back, and you can execute this command by pressing enter, but remember that you have to be a root user before installing, upgrading or deleting a package. So first of all I'll have to switch my user. You can switch the user by writing the command su, which stands for switch user. If you have multiple users, you will write the command su space the name of the user that you want to go to. So here I'll write the password of my root user. Remember that in Linux the password is not visible, so when you're writing the password with your keyboard it will not be visible on the screen. I'll press enter, and now as you can see that I am in the root user. I'll install a package, let's say man pages. This is also a package in Linux. I'll press enter to execute this command, and it is saying that man pages is already installed on our CentOS. So I'll install another package, and let's say tmux, and press enter, and now it is resolving the dependencies, and it has given me a transaction summary that tmux package will be installed. This is the version that will be installed, and the size of the package is 243 KB. Now here it will ask me for the confirmation of the installation. You can press Y to confirm or press N to decline this installation. So I'll press Y and press enter. It will download the package first and then install it. And now as you can see that the transaction is complete and the package tmux has been installed on our VM. And if you don't want to give this yes confirmation during the package installation, you can write the command as yum-y install tmux. Now you are specifying the installation confirmation within the command itself. As tmux has already been installed, I'll not run it again. So this is how you can install a package in Linux. Now let's see how we can remove a package in Linux. I'll clear the screen by typing the command clear, and you'll see that you'll have a fresh terminal. Now the command to remove a package is yum remove tmax. Let's remove the package that we just installed, and I'll press enter. In this summary, it is saying that it is removing the package tmax, and again you'll be asked for the confirmation. You can always press N here to decline the transaction, and you can also specify this -y in here, yum-y remove tmax, and then it will not ask you for this confirmation. I'll press Y here, and you'll see that the package is successfully removed. So this is how you remove or uninstall a package. Now let's see how we can update a package in Linux. I'll clear the screen again to obtain a fresh terminal. And to update a package, you write the command yum update, and let's say I update a package called curl. I'll press enter. And you'll see that the curl will be updated with this version, and this is the dependency of the curl, and this is what I meant, that yum automatically handles the dependencies with it, while rpm does not handles the dependencies. Like, for the sake of example, if I'm installing curl and it needs a dependency, it needs a prereq which is libcurl, rpm will not install libcurl, while yum will install all the dependencies that are necessary to run curl itself. So I'll press Y to proceed with the transaction. And you'll see that the package has been updated successfully. First, the visit has updated the package, and then it has run a cleanup for the packages that were already installed and the versions that were not up to date. So this is how you can install, remove, or update a package in Linux. I hope this video was helpful. If you face any issue while learning Linux, you can ping me up anytime. I'll try to answer your questions and help you as much as I can. That's all for this video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon next to it to receive the notifications of every new video uploaded. Thank you, and see you in the next video.